How to fix Apple ID. Account cannot be created. At this time, let's get started. If you're facing the frustrating issue of being unable to create an Apple ID, here's how to resolve it. First, check Apple's system status page to ensure there's no outage with Apple ID or account services. If everything is fine, verify that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network and avoid using public or unsecured networks. Next, make sure your device is updated to the latest software version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If the issue persists, try creating your Apple ID on a different device or through the Apple ID website, as browser or app-specific glitches can interfere with account creation. Double-check the information you're entering, including using a unique email, a strong password, and correct details like your date of birth. If you're on a shared network, such as in a school or office, Apple may block multiple account creations, so switch to a different Wi-Fi or use mobile data. Restarting your device can also help clear minor glitches. Additionally, ensure that restrictions on your device aren't blocking account changes by navigating to Settings, Screen Time, Content, and Privacy restrictions. If you've made multiple failed attempts, Apple might temporarily block new requests, so wait 24 hours before trying again. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Apple support for personalized assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully resolve the issue and create your Apple ID. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech tips and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update.